Talent too needs hard work. David was a Deinonychus dinosaur. All Deinonychus dinosaurs were known to be quick on their feet and famous for the speedy pursuits of their prey. David was very proud of this legacy. Since everyone in his family was equally fast, he assumed he too could achieve the same whenever he wanted. And so he never really tried. Every day, someone or the other would hunt and food would be served. Until one day, it was finally David's turn to hunt. Confident of his abilities, David began the chase. The prey was so much quicker than he, and soon David was exhausted. Ashamed and disappointed, he returned home weeping. Then his entire family sat with him and told him, "Everyone is one talented, but without honing these skills, we are bound to lose it all." David understood, and after a lot of hard work, soon he too carried on the legacy of speed. We are what we do. We are what we do. Mrs. Charles wrote on the blackboard in the class. All dinos in the class copied it in their notebooks and asked her what it meant. Mrs. Charles explained, "All dinos are different. Some tall, some short, some fast, and some slow. But more important than all of that is whether you are a good dino or bad." Everyone in the class listened carefully. She continued, "Our habits decide what kind of dinos we are. A dino with good manners and habits would be a better dino than the one who misbehaves and has bad habits. And remember, only good dinos are loved and respected by all. Your behavior reflects on you and your family and can make them feel sad or proud. It's all up to you." Inspired by Mrs. Charles' words, everyone in the class thanked her and promised to be good dinos all their life. Proud elder brother. Stephen was Stan's caring elder brother. He wished the best for his little brother and did everything possible to make Stan a better dino every day, always motivating Stan with inspirational words, and by his own example, Stephen got disappointed when he heard about his brother not doing the right thing. Unable to understand what else to do to help Stan, Stephen was upset. Everyone noticed, and so the elders of the dino community decided to intervene. They said to Stephen, "Motivation is what gets one started, but habit is what keeps one going. Your brother may listen to all you teach, but unless he makes it a habit, he will not be the dino you want him to be." Inspired, Stephen turned words into action, and together they changed Stan's habits and watched him evolve into a dino Stephen was immensely proud of. Healthy is beautiful. Grace was a gallimimus dinosaur with long necks, thin limbs, and perfect snouts. Gallimimus dinosaurs were considered to be very good-looking dinosaurs. Amongst their species, there was always a competition about who was better looking, and Grace worked really hard to be better than the rest. As a fully grown gallimimus dinosaur, Grace should ideally hunt every day, but she chose not to. Hunting once in 2-3 days, Grace ate very little, just to maintain the thin limbs. The annual Gallimimus Dinosaur Beauty Contest was held, and Grace was badly defeated in it. Her beauty was not appreciated. She was denounced for being unhealthy. To be told that she wasn't beautiful hit Grace hard, and she realized how she had been compromising on her health by not eating proper meals, and that obviously took her beauty away. Determined, she soon got her health back. The beauty returned automatically.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.